In today's video, I'm going to share 3 tips with you for thrift store shopping. Hi, I'm Kim Jamieson-Hirst of Chatterbox Quilts, and I want to share some tips with you to make your shopping at a thrift store the way it should be, the most productive, the most enjoyable it should be. And I've got 3 tips for you. So let's get to it. Tip number 1. That is to make a list. Now, I know we're never quite sure what there's going to be at the thrift store, of course, but if there's certain things you're looking for, make sure you make a list. You can either write it down, or sometimes I like to just make a note on my phone so I can take it with me when I go. And what I like to put down is what I'm looking for, and I like to be very specific. So a lot of times I am searching for fabric at the thrift store. Now, not fabric, because it's hard to find at our thrift stores here in Canada, but I often will buy men's shirts like you see here in front of me, and I like to make sure that I get them in the largest size I can. I like to make sure they're 100% cotton. So I will write down men's shirts, extra large, 100% cotton. If you're looking for something like household goods, for example, maybe you're looking for curtains, let's say, make sure you write down the measurements, because you don't want to get home and find out that the curtains you bought are 3 inches too short. So tip number 1, make a list. Tip number 2, check out and see what's on sale that week. So again, in the store I go to, which is Goodwill here in Alberta, they have their products all tagged with different color tags. So they might be green, blue, red, whatever. And on different days, different tags, different color tags are on sale. So let's say maybe it's green tag sale. Now I can find that out from their website, maybe from their social media. So I will find that out first. That way, when I go to the store, I know that if I pick up an item that has a green tag and I have a similar item that has a blue tag and the green tag's on sale, I'll be buying that green one. Okay? Helps to save me money, gives me a little more buying power. Tip number 3 is to check and see if there are special discount days. Now, these are different than the sale tag days. So, for example, at my Goodwill store, they have seniors discounts available on Wednesday. So every Wednesday is Seniors Day, and you can save 15% off all the products that you buy. 15%! It's a great discount. So why would I shop on any other day than Wednesday, right? So you can again check on the website, maybe on social media, and see if they have special days like that where you can save even more money. So those are my 3 tips for shopping at the thrift store before you even get to the store. And I have a bonus tip for you as well. But before I share that with you, I've got an exciting announcement. I have just opened my Patchwork Pals YouTube membership. So if you want to support the Chatterbox Quilts small business and YouTube channel, you want to click on the join button below and see what's available to you when you become a Patchwork Pal. And thanks so much for supporting my channel. Now I have a bonus tip for you, and that is to wear comfortable clothing, especially shoes, when you're going thrift store shopping. Usually when I'm in the thrift store, I'm there for about an hour. I'm walking, I'm standing the whole time, and I want to make sure that I don't get worn out. I don't want to cut my thrift store shopping short. So I make sure that I've got those comfortable, supportive shoes on, especially, you'll usually catch me in my runners, so that I can make the most of my time there, because I don't want to have to leave because my feet or legs have given out on me. Thanks for watching today. I've shared some tips on what to do when you're going thrift store shopping, but you might be wondering, what do I do with some of the things when I get home, right? And usually I'm buying clothing to cut up for quilt fabric. So don't worry, I've got you covered. Check out this video that has that important information for you. For more helpful quilting information, be sure to go to my website at www.chatterboxquilts.com.